100% of your life insurance money
Hmm.
in that infinite banking policy. I never do IULs. I love Jason. I never do IULs because the cost of the IUL can go up annually.
Yeah.
In a whole life, it's fixed. It's
Hmm.
fixed for life, right?
Yeah.
No hidden fees, no additional costs, no nothing, right? So
Yeah.
I
I do whole
only
life too,
run.
Travis.
Okay, baby, I love you. We're all good. Um, so I do exactly what the Rockefellers did. I don't change it at all. I do what all the banks do. I do what all the institutions do. I go whole life.
Yeah.
And that'll get you at New York Life, you guys are getting about a 6% return on your New
Yeah.
York Life infinite banking policies. So
Yeah.
I would let your company write the policy on you. If you
Hmm.
die, it pays to the company. It doesn't pay to you, it pays to the company. The
Hmm.
reason is your premiums now come out of the company's income and it's a business expense.
Hmm.
The
Okay.
premium is an expense now, so it's non-taxable. So now you're moving money from taxable income to non-taxable, but
Right.
you get the same benefit.
Hmm.
Put 100% of in there, and now it's growing. So the dividend is technically your pension, your retirement, and
Right.
you're building your pension, you're building your retirement.
Right.
If for any reason there's a chargeback that
Hmm.
comes, instead of going in your personal bank account to make the chargeback, you go inside of your life insurance policy, you take out a loan for the amount of the chargeback and let the loan pay the chargeback.
Hmm.
So none of it came out of your bank account. It all came out of the cash value.
Right.
Okay, so you're 100% protected.
Hmm.
And you've got like 80 years to pay it off or let the death benefit, eat it
Get
up.
eaten up. Eat up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Right. So either way, you're really fucking good there. Either way,
Hmm.
you're really fucking good. Okay. The next
Hmm.
thing is because all your money's growing, the dividends compounding
Hmm.
can buy all of your leads now.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
dividends in the
Hmm.
account are now what's buying your leads.
Hmm.
So it's free money. And now that you can afford to buy leads from dividends,
Hmm.
now you're printing money and you're off to the races. And I would say once your calendar's full and you've hit your first goal, your target freedom goal of like,
Hmm.
got enough fuck you money that I'm happy for life.
Hmm.
If you want the headache, then you go recruit. Then you
Oh,
go
yeah.
on board, then you go train, then you go build an agency. All right.
Hmm.
And then if you get a 10-person agency, you doubled your money. It's that
Right.
simple, right? So if
Hmm.
you made 500,000 on your own and you get a 10-person agency, they made you another 500,000.
Right.
The difference, here's what we did that nobody else has done yet. Once I build Chelsea's agency,
Hmm.
all I have to do is hit copy paste, and everybody on your team has your exact snapshot. Has
Hmm.
everything that has worked for you, they have it. Except you ran your own leads. So now you
Hmm.
have an audience, and that audience is going down to your team. So they're sharing your Facebook audience, your YouTube audience, your Google audience with you.
Hmm.
They don't have the problem that you had starting it off from the ground.
Right.
So once this snowball gets rolling, it just gets bigger, compounding. And they come out the gate swinging for home runs.
Hmm.
And once we get enough people doing this, we're really going to change the whole fucking industry because we've created a system where you will never go to a third party lead vendor again for the rest of your life. And nobody will wonder how to mix and match or Frankenstein a bunch of different technology softwares in
Yeah.
one place, pay one monthly fee, and have 100% everything that you need in one place. And it's for you, and it can grow to everybody on your team in 30 seconds. Like one click of a button, the next teammate has it.
Oh, okay.
That's what I did. We call it Formula 100.
Hmm.
I see you going through so much thought.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds really good. The only issue I'm having right now is I can't buy life insurance on myself to buy leads
Okay.
because I kind of was hoping to do that. Just my health isn't in the best place. So, that's been a bit of an issue. Um, Other than that, I mean, I guess the real reason I'm still at New York Life is to get the rest of the securities licenses paid for
Yeah.
because I kind of would like to do the rollovers eventually and
Yeah.
work like that. I have met people that have rollovers. I'm just kind of pushing them to the back, like
Mhm.
to work on that. But um, yeah, I don't know. Feel like you gave me a lot of really great advice so far, especially about like drawing the customers to me. Um, just based off of like a post I did last week, I did one post off my personal
Mhm.
and I got like three people to come to me and I'm like, wow, like if I just got three people out of like mutual friends and people sharing my post, I can get so many more if I do a system like what you just suggested.
Correct.
So, um, I guess I have a lot to think about and start working on right now.
So, in from your point of view,
hmm
what is it that you think you need help with to get you to the next place? Like, what are you trying to accomplish?
I guess I need better leads because I feel like I get people and then they're really kind of flaky.
Yeah.
And, I don't know, that's been kind of tough. Or like some people really like they need life insurance and then like, or they've said they need life insurance and then like I end up losing the client. I think basically because they're like, oh, I'd rather put all the money into the market versus a whole life. And then it's like, oh, like a lot of time wasted there.
Mm.
So,
There's two things with that. One is how aware were they? The five stages of awareness.
mhm,
So how aware were they to um to be ready to buy? And number two, when
mhm,
they started giving you the objections, like
right.
I don't know, why don't I just do the market right now? The market's on fire. What
hmm
to really understand how to overcome that objection, right?
Yeah, I mean,
And
the,
I'll give you an example, right? So people come to me all the time and they're like, the market's on fire right now. I'm buying Bitcoin, I'm buying Tesla, I'm buying anything that Trump's touching right now. I'm buying it. I'm buying oil from Venezuela. Like whatever. Like people are buying shit right now. And I
hmm
and I always say, okay, don't stop buying. But I want you to look at the two alternatives. You've got $100,000, you're going to put it somewhere.
hmm
If the market hits and you make a 50% return on $100,000, you're going to make $100,000 and that goes to your family. Okay.
hmm
And you're just hoping every day that the market stays at 50% return and you're going to give them 150. Okay. Not a
hmm
problem. The alternative is you can put $100,000 in a life insurance policy
hmm
and your family will have $3 million of death benefit
hmm
in 2 months, right? Once it clears, they'll
Yep.
have $2 million.
hmm
Then you can touch 90% of that cash.
Right.
Okay. So let's say you only get like $80,000 of it. Go
hmm
put the $80,000 in the market.
hmm
Okay. Now it's not 100, I agree. But if something happens, you've got $3 million going to your family and you're still in the market. And if it
Right.
wins, you can put the winnings back in there and you can buy more life insurance with it. And you're getting a
hmm
6% dividend on the 8%, on the 80, on the $100,000.
Right.
So you're
I,
growing $6,000 in dividends.
yeah. I mean, it was positioned as a way to, to avoid capital gains tax because as an entrepreneur, he had, a lot of money out there in the market and his other business investments. So this was the last thing to really add to the portfolio.
Okay.
And the way the bank was built was he would be able to draw after 15, 20 years, like he would draw like a six-figure pension. that he creates through the whole life.
Yeah.